Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix DLSS missing issue in Battlefield 6 on both NVIDIA and AMD GPUs quickly and easy.
Fix 1. Revert to NVIDIA driver version 580.88. Step 1. Uninstall your current NVIDIA driver using Display Driver Uninstaller DDU. Step 2. Download NVIDIA driver version 580.88 from the NVIDIA driver archive. Step 3. Install the downloaded driver and restart your system. Step 4. Launch Battlefield 6 and check if the DLSS option is available. Fix 2. Uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Step 1. Open the control panel and navigate to uninstall a program. Step 2. Locate and uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Step 3. Restart your computer. Step 4. Launch Battlefield 6 to see if DLSS appears in the graphics settings. Fix 3. Delete Battlefield 6 configuration files. Step 1. Navigate to Documents, Battlefield 6 Open Beta Settings. Step 2. Delete all files within the Settings folder. Step 3. Restart Battlefield 6. The game will regenerate default configuration files. Fix 4. Use alternative upscaling technologies. If consider using other upscaling options, AMD FSR, Fidelity Fax Super Resolution, Intel XS, Z Super Sampling.